I'm Sean, and I'm a dad that likes to game. That means I have to do it on a budget. I'm here to show you that you can too. Today we'll be unboxing the Blue Yeti Nano, which is arguably one of the best USB microphones on the market today. And we'll find out if it is the best microphone for your budget. The Blue Yeti Nano premium USB microphone delivers broadcast quality sound for podcasting, YouTube videos, Twitch streaming, and Zoom calls. Inspired by the legendary Blue Yeti, the Yeti Nano combines 24-bit sound quality with powerful Blue Voice vocal effects for professional recording and streaming. With multiple pickup patterns, a built-in headphone output, and a compact footprint, the Yeti Nano is the essential mic for today's streamers. It comes with the cardioid mode, which is perfect for a single host, game streaming, Skype calls, vocal performances, voiceovers, and instruments. Cardioid mode records sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone, delivering rich, full-bodied sound. The second is the omnidirectional. It records or streams sound equally from all around the mic. Omnidirectional mode is best for use in situations when you want to have a conference call with multiple participants in the same room or a multi-person interview on a podcast. Now, this is not a $2,000 microphone that you see a lot of the big YouTubers and streamers use. This runs at MSRP of $99. Now, that is their official website. This isn't a reseller. This isn't, eBay. You can probably find it cheaper used. You can probably find it cheaper new on sale at a local electronics store, somewhere that will run a sale on it. But I'm telling you, it only runs $99 MSRP on their website. Now, if that isn't budget for a professional quality, I don't know what is.
I am my own biggest critic. Before anyone else has criticized me, I have already criticized myself. But for the rest of my life, I'm going to be with me, and I don't want to spend my life with someone who is always critical. So I'm going to stop being my own critic. It's high time that I accept all the great things about me.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all your budget Twitch streaming and YouTube needs.